इस वीडियो में हम आपको दिखाएंगे एक टेम्पल जहाँ पे गुजराती स्क्रिप्ट थी, नेचुरल केव जहाँ पे ज़ोरास्ट्रियन पीपल प्रे करते थे और गोस्ट विलेज जहाँ माना जाते हैं भूतों ने कब्र खोदी है। नमस्ते दोस्तों। Today is the last day that we are in Chabahar and I am wearing Baluchi dress today. People of here are so kind without having any expectations. Yesterday we went to someone's house for dinner, even that with all their heart they made different chana, dal and all vegetarian foods for only us. Other than that, they by force they gave me this dress, their daughters. They gave me this Baluchi dress which was for them and it cost more than 30,000 rupees because of these all handmade things it has. They told me, you came here, go tomorrow and wear this dress and take pictures with our Baluchi dress. I said, no, it's not good, thank you so much and this thing. They didn't allow me. They said, no, what is this? It's not like you want to eat the dress or something will happen to the dress. Go take pictures and don't do taraf. Means like, don't be shy and don't say no. So I'm like so surprised. People here are awesome.
So guys, we are just walking on street now. Let's see what things are here. Because of Ramadan, everything is closed. Means restaurant or otherwise we wanted to try pani puri, paratha, vada pav also they have.
I think in evening is there.
But we are going at 7.
7?
It's not at 10 we have flight. 2 hours before we have to go.
No.
1 hour to take to go
I
there.
know, but I think we can see after in evening.
Let's see. I hope we can see. Otherwise सब है यहाँ पे इंडियन थिंग सब है यहाँ पे पराठा, पानी पूरी, छोले भटूरे,
गुलाब जामुन,
स्वीट्स तो सभी है यहाँ पे.
Everything is there. Only dosa is not there. Dosa
साउथ इंडियन नहीं है ज़्यादा. So guys, we came here one supermarket. Let's see what things they have. We will eat something. Salam. Let's see what we can eat. Let's take juice and water bottle. I am also. Take different so we can drink together. Okay, then for me also take same.
Oh, mango is there.
Then mango take for me. It's fill. No, it's meat. Chicken and meat. यहाँ पे जो नॉन अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक है ना बहुत है यहाँ पे. चिप्स ये केक. Let's take one cake. 2 cakes take bus.
Which one?
Anything, I don't know. Whichever is good.
Chicken.
Vanilla cocoa. This one take.
That one you want?
Huh?
One only?
One is enough, no?
Huh?
I think we will go for lunch also after some time. Hehe. Water bottle, yes. Smaller one should we take?
Oh, you want this?
Balushai. Shumachi Gupti, no? Oh, we say Balushai.
You have? What is that?
Balushai.
You want?
Na balan na.
I don't know.
Oh, curry spice also they have.
Oh.
Masala. So guys, जब भी आप यहाँ पे आओगे ना, जो हमारा जो टूर लीडर है ये मोहम्मद दियान, उनकी टूर का नाम चाहबार गर्दी. उसके हम इंस्टाग्राम पेज और नंबर सब डाल देंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में और यहाँ पे भी डाल देंगे स्क्रीन पे. Here water is green. I think it's dirty, Bitu.
No, I don't think so. Maybe because of.
No, Baba, it's dirty.
This is ocean like one. It's so clean water.
I don't know.
So guys, now we asked from our tour leader. He told us it's because of
That green.
phytoplanktons.
It's not dirty water. Because of one insect we say or fish.
No, so small fish.
Because of them it became like this. At night it will be like lightning. It will be like
yes.
some light is there in water.
I don't know they are fish or not. Phytoplanktons I don't know.
We'll search and.
But because of them, Taxelulim is what? Only they have
Kingdom?
one. They have one cell in their body. You know?
One cell.
That's what I'm saying. They have only one cell in body. They call them phytoplankton. Because of them, water is green. Wow.
You only said na ki they only produce oxygen.
70% of
70%.
oxygen on Earth is
Because of them only.
because of them only, and 30% is because of
Nature.
trees. Jellyfish. از کجا پیدا کردی؟
Jellyfish है.
آره
میشه دست گرفت؟
آره
It's
مرده
fish.
یعنی؟
مرده آره این باید بازوهای زیر بدنش داشته که از بین بره.
جلیفیش.
Really?
وای چقدر جالبه.
They're fish. They eat this one.
Oh, for turtle. They like
Turtle.
so much. Food of turtle.
But how? They don't have eyes or anything.
چشم ندارن؟
نه اینا هم کلی ریشه زیر بدنش
They have so much roots here.
Once
But
they
it's
go outside,
gone.
I think it's
No,
gone.
it's gone now. See?
अरे.
It's called ghost graves. Not here, upper than here. But he's thinking, I will explain you why they call it ghost grave.
Okay.
And here is one village. It's called Tis.
Tis.
Tis village.
Fish.
So this is gravestone up here. That all this village is like around 2,000-3,000 years old.
Really?
Yes, it's old village. This village is older than Chabahar.
Really?
यहाँ की जो कब्रें हैं वो स्टोन जैसे मजबूत जगह पे बनाए हुए हैं। इसलिए सब लोग मानते हैं कि ये सारी कब्रें घोस्ट ने बनाई है। लोगों का कहना है कि नॉर्मल इंसान से उस टाइम पे ऐसा कब्र बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है। लेकिन टूर गाइड का कहना है कि उस टाइम पे इस विलेज में पानी की प्रॉब्लम थी। वाटर सेव करने के लिए रेक्टेंगुलर शेप की गड्ढे बनाए गए थे। लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे लोगों का कहना है कि यहाँ पे रात को अलग अलग आवाजें आती है।
सलाम.
اون رو نگاه رو دیوار داره
میترسن ها؟
آره اینا چون آزادن با آدم خیلی ارتباطی نمیگیرن
I think here is that cave, na Bitul? Ban Maziti ancient cave. چیه Bitul اینجا؟
اینا غارهای سگانه
Cave of چی؟
غارهای سگانه they say. Like 3 caves are there. One of them is two of them is natural.
हाँ.
One of them by hand they made. So sorry, one of them is natural. Two of them by hand they made. So they say in past that Zoroastrianism was everywhere in Iran. People used to they made here for prayer. They made here for prayer.
Prayer
So
room.
they say it was like for Zoroastrianism. Here is called Ban Masiti Ancient Cave.
हाँ.
So Ban Masiti is like in old Baluchi language means like praying.
Praying
prayer.
room,
हाँ.
something like this. अरे. बन मस्जिदी एक्चुअली बलूची वर्ड है, उसमें से बन मतलब रिलीजियस पर्सन या डिवोटी कह सकते हैं आप, और मस्जिदी मतलब प्लेस फॉर वर्शिप। सो बन मस्जिदी मतलब टेम्पल ऑफ डिवोटीज। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 3 केव्स है, उसमें से एक जो है नेचुरल है और 2 मैन मेड है। अभी जो हम केव देखने जा रहे हैं वो मैन मेड केव है, और उस टाइम पे एक केव स्पेशली प्रेइंग रूम के लिए यूज़ किया जाती थी और कुछ टाइम के लिए वाटर स्टोरेज के लिए भी। हाँ
that bird, backside, upside down there.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
In Pune also is there. That one also is there.
Really? Now also is there? They're so scary.
He's saying here was open. Because of some stones fell down, it got closed. Upside, so much water used to come from rain, and from these stones used to leak.
Okay.
Because of that leakage, they used to store water there, that ending of here. But now it's closed there. Now it's not like that.
There she's seeing guys here. So guys, you are seeing now another cave. Let's see what it is. अब जो केव देखने जा रहे हो एक्चुअली नेचुरल केव है, और उसके अंदर एक छोटा सा मंदिर भी है। उस टाइम पे लोग कहते हैं कि ये टेम्पल स्पेशली गुजराती पीपल यूज़ करते थे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे गुजराती स्क्रिप्ट भी लिखी हुई थी। लेकिन इस टाइम पे लोगों ने उसको हटा दिया है, वहाँ पे कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है। गुजराती स्क्रिप्ट का प्रेजेंस ये दिखाता है कि वो हिंदू टेम्पल था, लेकिन लोगों का कहना है कि नहीं, वहाँ पे ज़ोरास्ट्रियन टेम्पल था। तो किसी को भी पता नहीं कि मतलब एक्चुअली किसका टेम्पल था। लेकिन उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे गुजराती लोग चाह बार में आते थे बिजनेस करने के लिए, वो करने के लिए। और जो पारसी जो आप अभी इंडिया में है, वो बहुत सारे इसी चाह बार से ही चले गए थे गुजरात को। जब मैं एक लोकल से बात कर रहा था तो वो बोल रहा था कि मैं राजपूत हूँ, तो मतलब मैं थोड़ा शॉक लगा कि ये कैसे बोल रहा है कि राजपूत है। तो थोड़ा कनेक्शन है गुजराती पीपल का और चाह बार का। बहुत सारे गुजराती बिजनेसमैन अभी भी बिजनेस करते हैं वहाँ पे। So this is third cave now. Let's see what it is. Oh, this one is so small. ये जो केव है वो रेस्टिंग के लिए थी, लेकिन अभी ये टूटी पड़ी हुई है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है। लेकिन थोड़ा सा भाग है यहाँ पे जो आप देख सकते हैं। अरे it's for what? What is it?
This one was like for restroom, something like that. But because of rain,
It got broken here, na?
oh, it's like people who used to come here for praying.
Praying.
And listening. After that, they used to sit here for like rest or something.
Because of water shape of this hill became like this, see? So it's like design.